to just limit yourself to facts.
Okay.
Things you know, things you don't know. Don't get into what you think, because I don't want you to get into what you think.
That's fine. Yeah, that's.
Well, I was up in the parking garage. Well, the car ain't been moved 6 months. GM been looking for the car since January, December. You know, you can call and check with them too.
Let me go back now. When you're in the parking structure and when you hear these people coming back or
running in there.
Where were they coming from? Did you recognize anybody, or I mean?
They were just running wild.
Is possibly anybody that came running from on Fairfax in that parking structure that you knew that may have been out there? So I'm saying, so may have seen it. Did you recognize any stars? Anybody that was running around from there, or anybody? Okay. Did you hear any conversations with anybody that may have seen a suspect, a car, or anything while you were there in the parking lot, waiting to get out?
Okay, when you left, you made the right turn. Where did you go then, after that?
What's that?
I mean, what was your destination after you left the party?
Dropped one of my, we went to eat, then I went and dropped one of my off.
Where'd you eat at?
Curious.
Jerry's?
Yeah.
In the marina?
Yeah.
Okay, and then where'd you go from there?
We went to went to drop one of my off. Then we dropped them.
Say they live in Compton or that area? I mean, you were trying to direction of travel.
One of my in jail. In jail.
I mean, where you dropped him off?
He's in jail, yeah.
Where you dropped him off? I mean, was it Los Angeles, Compton?
Compton.
Okay, so you left Jerry's and went towards Compton?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then the next?
Then I dropped window prints on.
Okay, same area?
Yeah.
Okay, then what?
Went on, went to bed.
Which address?
1524.
You didn't talk to anybody else at all after? Just went straight home?
Yeah.
About what time was that?
What time was that?
Bueno, sí, si el accidente ocurrió en el último año, no eres culpable y no estás representado por un abogado, entonces es muy importante tu reclama. Es una plataforma que conecta a las personas lesionadas con abogados especializados en accidentes de auto. La consulta es gratuita y no hay costos iniciales.
That's AM, right?
Yeah.
Now, at some point, I guess I'm going to have to talk to both of you about his car. Because I understand it was picked up in connection with your investigation. At some point, I would expect that you would either rule the car in and then keep it for evidence, or rule it out and have to, you know.
You made a claim against the car.
They have made a claim?
Right.
Yeah, they got it.
Okay. Okay, they made a claim. Okay, that's fine.
Whose car is it?
The GM's car right now.
Okay, GM's car, but how did you purchase the car?
No, I did not.
You get those pictures, let's make sure we're talking about the right car, because we've been talking about these cars, I'm sure you're aware. This is the car? That's yours?
Looks like it.
Okay. That's it.
Please.
Okay. So there'd be one of the California license plate 3 Noel Mary Robert 071, is it on it? Yeah, exactly.
Okay, who purchased the car?
You know who purchased it.
You don't want to get into that.
Well, I need to find, what's the history behind it? Is it registered to you?
No, it's not.
Who's it registered to?
I think the registration
No,
is a
that's all.
public record. It's a public
Well,
record.
That's the thing. What makes it your car? That's what I'm trying to find out here.
Well, he had possession, he had control over that car. Now, if GMAC, who is the lien holder, is making a claim, of course, he's gonna respect that claim. You know,
That's between you
yeah,
and him.
yeah, right,
right.
so we don't wanna get into
No.
that. But the car is registered, that's not a public record.
Okay,
No.
the question is he didn't purchase the car, he's in possession of the car. How does that make,
That's what we're trying to find out.
how does it make it your car?
Did you buy it from somebody?
Again, that car was parked at a garage, in a garage or backyard, in the backyard, and he parked it there. He had use of that car before this incident.
You see, you know,
How long have you
a
had
simple question.
How long have you had possession of the car? Or how long has the car been in your possession?
About July last year.
July 26th? Okay. Has it been involved in any accidents or anything like that? Since you've had it?
Have I?
Yeah.
But I can remember.
And again, Detective Poole, our concern in terms of my not allowing him to answer more questions regarding how he got control of the car and so forth have nothing to do with your criminal investigation. These are certain civil aspects of certain transactions that I don't want you to comment on. It's entirely civil. It has nothing to do with your criminal investigation.
Well, Mr. Fall, we're here just to get the truth, okay? And it's strange to me, something as simple as a possession of a car. It appears to me that what's there to hide? If it's your car, tell us how you got the car. That's what I'm saying. I mean,
But the point is, he has already informed you. He was there. He said he had control of that car
Correct.
around this time period. So, if he was trying to run away from anything, he would say, I have nothing to do with that car. It's not in my name. It's not registered in my, I have nothing to. But he's telling you that he had some control over that car. So that means he's not trying to hide anything from the point of view of your investigation.
I'll make the determination whether it's.
Okay, that is fine. That is fine. But he's here voluntarily talking to you. But in terms of any contract between GMAC and him and someone else and so forth, that's a question of contract between him and he just doesn't want to get into.
Okay, we'll go on another track then.
Thanks.
How many sets of keys are there to the car?
That you know of.
Yeah, that's your aware of, yeah.
Just one second.
Okay, who has that key?
I had a key. Y'all got it now.
Okay, that's the key that, what was her name?
Paula?
Yeah.
Paula.
Is Paula your girlfriend? What's her last name?
Clemens.
Oh, we talked to thousands of people.
No, no.
It's ridiculous. When was the last time you drove the car?
I pulled it out about 2 weeks before y'all came over here. My niece drove it to the prom.
Okay, that's what someone said. Paula said it, yes, went to a prom or something.
And that was the only time that car being used.
For how long have you been parked back there, would you say?
To be tell you the truth,
Yeah.
it was up under the thing since August.
August of '96?
Yeah, up under the thing. If you go
That awning there on the side of
yeah,
the...
yeah, yeah. It was up under there. Then GMC came around the corner at my parents' address, knocked on the door, said they came looking for the car with the repossessed it. So I pulled it in the back and shut the gate and locked it. And pulled up out of there, period.
Did you cover the car up with something when it was back there? I mean,
So when they first got there, it got covered over. got covered up, but I didn't have a long enough,
Oh, stretch the cover?
yeah, I didn't have a long enough cover, so the car would carry anyway, I just kept it off.
And to your knowledge, who else has driven that car other than you? That you're aware of, that you remember. Who else has driven that? Other than Patrick, I know he drove.
Yeah, okay. Just me and him.
Okay. I mean, did you ever loan it out to anybody for a couple of days or anything like that? Okay.
And
Anything else in the department? Questions?
I have a lot of questions, but.
Well, yeah, I know. Something about the, if you know, when the car was purchased, did it come with the sunroof?
no,
Okay. Then this side, this side. Nothing about that, if that came with it or not. On the side, the driver's side and rear, there is, it says Impala SS. Oh, here's a better picture, I'm sorry. Does that come stock or? I've seen it both ways. That's
you got to purchase it.
Oh, you do? Okay, when you bought it, the ones I've seen that are on the cars are black. So this didn't come with it, or?
It's black, yeah, it didn't come with it.
Okay, so you put this, you had the,
Or
okay.
it did, the car did get wrecked though before it could.
Oh, okay, what damage, you know what part of the car was damaged, or? Well, there's no damage to now, it's fixed apparently.
Yeah,
Okay.
the driver's side.
Okay.
The man just backed up and came down the street, swatting.
I gotta ask you, how much did you pay for those tires? That's gotta be expensive. Did you see those? Those are beautiful.
It's a show car.
Yeah, no, it was very pretty. Anything else about? Yeah.
Just the comment that such a beautiful car sitting in the backyard, collecting dust. Why is it?
I got a lowrider, got chrome, everything, everywhere. And it don't be what we need it. You know what I'm saying? Okay. A daddy truck I was in one day, driving down the street, get shot up, you know what I'm saying? A daddy truck. So I just,
What kind of truck is that?
That's a new
truck?
Contract.
yeah.
Yeah.